The moral story is about the farmer and the crane. There once was a farmer who was very worried about his crop getting eaten by the birds, so he laid a trap for the birds. Many birds, as before, came to pick the seeds but got trapped in the net. Along with the birds, even one crane got stuck in the net. The crane pleaded, "Please have mercy on me. I have not put you to any loss, nor have I eaten your seeds. I am neither a hen, nor a sparrow, nor any other seed-consuming bird. I am a crane. I only eat insects that are harmful for the crops. Therefore, please leave me." The farmer replied, "You have been found in the company of these bad birds who were eating my seeds. So, I will not spare you." The moral of the story is, bad company is harmful. Until next story, take care and bye-bye.